The question is, what do I do after I've been arrested for an assault? And it's a pretty darn good one. The number one thing you do is don't panic, all right? Now, it goes without saying that an assault family violence arrest in San Antonio or Bexar County, even though it's a misdemeanor, carries a heck of a lot of speed bumps and brick walls if you should happen to plead to them or if the wrong thing happens in court. And there's a lot to worry about. But the reason I say don't panic is because a lot of times when you leave that jail, you're going to have conditions such as no contact or a temporary protective order or requirements to get a GPS. You need to make sure that you put all of that stuff and you listen to it. Do not violate. Now, the next thing that you do, if there's no contact order that's in place, is if the complainant is trying to help or trying to work out, do not burn that bridge, okay? You will probably want to work with that person to try to see what you guys can do to help each other to get these charges off. The next most important thing that you can do after not panicking is call a lawyer, okay? And start looking for attorneys that have a lot of experience when it comes to family violence cases. Now, to quickly toot my own horn, I have 27 years of experience as a law enforcement officer who used to investigate these cases. As a family violence prosecutor at the Bexar County DA's office, where I averaged about 2,000 to 3,000 assault cases per month. And I did that for over 2 years. So when you hear me say that I've literally handled tens of thousands of these, it's not an exaggeration. 3, look for an attorney like me who has handled countless assault family violence cases in trial. But here's the most important thing. You're not looking for the attorney who's telling you that they're going to try it no matter what. You're looking for the attorney who's going to come up with a strategy with you to hopefully avoid that process ever going forward. So, to keep it simple on a pretty difficult situation, number 1, don't panic. Number 2, find a lawyer who knows what they're doing. And number 3, hire that person as soon as possible so that they can do their best to educate you going forward and help you to get the ultimate outcome of a dismissal that you can expunge later on down the line.